Every business will have a level of risk, and the risk might come from one of the perils such as fire, storm, burglars, might come from someone who sues the business because they've been injured or their products have injured someone, as well as the risk associated with workplace health and safety and employment practices. So all of these are all risks that, as a business owner, they need to be aware of, and then they need to understand what to do about those risks. Our role is then to say, okay, let's look at these risks, analyse them in terms of how severe is the impact, how frequently is it likely to occur, and manage them based on their frequency and their severity. So if it's something that's not severe, that happens often, it probably is something that just can be managed by a change of process. But if you're talking about a fire where it doesn't happen often, but when it happens, it could destroy the business, we've got the policy in place that's going to get you back. If you truly want to succeed as a business, you need to be taking risk. Because if you're not taking risk, you won't grow, you won't outdo the competition. So every business will take on some risk. But unless you do the analysis of what is the risks that are going to impact the business, it's impossible then to understand how you manage that risk. You're just like crossing the road with a blindfold.
Everybody takes out insurance and they always hope that they're never ever going to need it. So the risk management side of it is, let's do everything we can to actually prevent an insurance claim in the first place. Let's use the insurance claim as the option of last resort, and if it all does go pear-shaped, then know that we've got that there as the backup when the worst does happen.
It's actually crucial for every business to do that analysis. We can help in that process. All we need is some time with our clients to get answers to a series of questions that will then allow us to make decisions about what's the best way forward. If you don't do it at all, then you're living in a time when you really aren't aware of what's going to come along and what can derail the progress of your business. All you need to do is contact us and we'll arrange a time to sit down and run through that process, which will take any time between 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're in a position to actually offer you some really specific advice about your particular business.